Every engine is a compromise. If you design it for fuel efficiency, you sacrifice performance. If you design it for power, you sacrifice mileage. For decades, engineers had to accept this limitation. But then Honda introduced a technology that changed engine design forever. That technology was called VTEC. And today we are going to understand exactly what is it, how it works, and why it became legendary. VTEC was developed by Honda in the late 1980s. The first production car to use this technology was Honda Integra in 1989. Honda engineers had one clear goal: to create a small displacement engine that could deliver both high performance and fuel efficiency without using turbochargers. At that time, this was a major engineering challenge. What is VTEC? VTEC stands for Variable Timing and Lift Electronic Control. To understand this, we need to understand one basic principle of engines. Every petrol engine has intake and exhaust valves, a camshaft that control when and how much these valves open. In traditional engines, the valve movement is fixed. No matters if the engine runs at 1500 rpm or 7000 rpm, the valves open the same way. This fixed design creates compromise. Inside a VTEC engine, there are two different cam profiles, a smaller cam profile for low RPM and larger cam profile for high RPM. At low RPM, the engine uses the smaller cam profile, valves open less, stay open for shorter duration, smooth operation, better fuel economy, perfect for city driving and daily use. At high RPM, when the engine speed increases to certain point, the ECU sends oil pressure to active a small locking pin mechanism inside the rocker arms. This connects the rocker arms together and switches to the larger cam profile. Now valves open wider, stay open longer, more air enters the cylinder. More fuel is burned. Power output increases significantly. This sudden change in breathing is what drivers feel as the VTEC kick. Why VTEC become legendary? Normally, small engines provide efficiency, larger engines provide performance. VTEC allowed Honda to achieve both in one engine. It enabled small engine to rev higher, breathe better, and produce impressive power without sacrificing daily drivability. That is why VTEC engines become extremely popular among enthusiasts worldwide. Honda later improved the system into i-VTEC, which combines variable valve lift, continuous variable timing control. This made the engine even more efficient, smoother, and more responsive across the entire RPM range. So now we know VTEC is not a turbocharger. It's not just a badge on the car. It is a smart mechanical and electronic system developed by Honda to solve one of the biggest challenges in engine design. An engine that stays calm when you drive normally and transforms when you push it. That is the engineering brilliance behind VTEC.